Hey guys, this is John at Team One Automotive, and you can tell we work on anything from Ford to Ferrari here, or in this case, Ford to Audi. This is a 2003 Ford Mustang Terminator with a big Whipple on it. It's in here for some diagnostics. It's not running quite right. And then we just got done with Mr. Zach's R8 here. Just needed to come in for a quick oil change, so we got that knocked out for him and ready to rock and roll. The Audi R8 is equipped with a 5.2 liter V10 that you'll find in the Lamborghini Huracan, so you can in essence think of this car as a Lamborghini in a business suit. They look absolutely fantastic. You get all the performance with a little bit of style. The 2003 Mustang SVT Cobra Terminator came with a 4.6 liter V8 that was supercharged from the factory. These cars would do 180 miles an hour all the way back then. So they were absolutely not to be messed with back in the day, and they're still loved to this day for their sound and their style. They look absolutely fantastic.